दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट।
The petitioner in this criminal miscellaneous petition is the petitioner in writ petition criminal number 177. The said writ petition was filed under Article 32 of the Constitution of India in the nature of public interest, seeking for issue of writ of mandamus and direct the respondent numbers 1 to 3 in the writ petition to initiate action with regard to the destruction of residential building and other properties of accused Vikas Dubey and to safeguard the life of the accused. Before the petition was taken up for consideration, certain other developments had occurred inasmuch as the said accused was killed by the police in an alleged encounter. Along with the said writ petition, certain other writ petitions which were also filed in public interest seeking for an appropriate inquiry in that regard were tagged. All the related writ petitions were taken up for consideration together. The state government, in a reply filed to the said writ petitions, apart from referring to the other aspects of the matter, had also indicated that the government, having taken serious cognizance of all the events apart from constituting a special investigation team, had also constituted a commission of inquiry under the Commission of Inquiries Act 1951, headed by a former judge of Allahabad High Court. In the course of the proceedings before this court, based on a suggestion made by this court, the state government had undertaken the exercise to expand the composition of the commission. Accordingly, in addition to the former High Court judge who had been appointed, the state government suggested the name of Dr. Justice Chauhan, a former judge of this court, to be the chairman and Mr. Gupta, IPS, former Director General of Police, to be a member. This court, having considered it appropriate, had through the order accepted the constitution of the Commission of Inquiry in the said manner, and the writ petition was directed to be listed along with the report of the Commission. The petitioners were also granted the liberty of applying to the Inquiry Commission to be heard in the matter. When this is the position, the instant criminal miscellaneous petition is filed by the petitioner seeking that the judicial commission constituted by the state be scrapped and a SIT as sought by the petitioner be constituted by this court to carry out investigation on all issues raised by the petitioner. The said prayer is made by the petitioner alleging conflict of interest and likely bias on the part of the chairman, Dr. Justice Chauhan, and Shri Gupta, the member. The petitioner in that regard has relied upon an article published in the Wire. We have heard the petitioner in person and perused the petition papers. At the outset, it is necessary to notice that the petitioner herein had filed the applications after the constitution of the Inquiry Commission, raising certain objections with regard to Shri Gupta being the member of the commission, since according to the petitioner he had made certain comments in favor of the police in the interview given to the media. This court, having considered the same and on not finding it objectionable, dismissed the application through the order, holding the application to be devoid of merits. Despite the very same contentions are urged in the instant application as well, and has also raised an additional contention that the said Shri Gupta is related to the IG of Kanpur zone. Further, objection is raised to the continuation of Dr. Justice Chauhan as the chairman of the commission, since the news report relied on by the petitioner states that his brother and relative are legislators from BJP. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ही डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। पूरी उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से किया होगा। मेहनत लगातार करते रहिए। आपसे मुलाकात करूंगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।